Woo! It's my sister's birthday. How old are you?
7.
What? I thought you were 16.
I'm not a teenager.
Hey, I just got done with soccer practice, so now I gotta pick up some fried chicken for the birthday party. I might get some jumbo juice right after because I'm thirsty and it's so sunny outside, like for real. Wouldn't this be like an awesome place to film a dance video? The chicken back there smells amazing, like oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Jumbo juice! I love this song! Woo! Open sesame! Yay! Oh, look at that. Balloons, balloons.
Cousin, this is a video. It's not a picture. Do you know that? My mom doesn't know that I'm making a video.
Look at the balloon.
Smile there by the picture.
Oh, spaghetti, garlic. Oh, you can get garlic bread too if you like. I can't get enough of fried chicken. Oh my gosh, don't judge me. I'm like so hungry. So yeah, I can't wait for the ice cream cake later too. My sister is getting so big. She's 7. I don't even remember how I was when I was 7, but yeah, it's been a while. Happy birthday, Mika! To you! Cake. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a nap right after, so yeah. Okay, I guess this is the end of the vlog for today, and yeah,